Guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning out my refrigerator area. Right now, I'm just prepping to start Sunday dinner. I do like a clean space before I start cooking, so you guys will be seeing me as I clean up this area. I very rarely wash dishes in the sink, but because I do have dishes in the dishwasher currently, only thing I'm going to be doing is just adding my utensils in there, but everything will be hand washed by me. I have a question for you guys. I just want to know, do you love washing your dishes by hand, or do you like using your dishwasher? I hope you guys get the motivation that you need, and it gives you motivation to clean up your space, your refrigerator, or whatever. Or if you're just here just to watch. I do hope you guys enjoyed, and here we go. I love Sundays, you guys. I love everything about Sundays. I love watching the football games. I love watching the basketball games. But I do feel like on Sundays, it should just be dedicated to your family or your loved one. And that's the time that you have to recap and get ready for the work week. I don't cook like big meals during the work week. I usually just try to keep it simple and short just so we can go ahead and eat. But I do feel like on Sundays you need to make, you need to cook a good meal, have like your sides, your greens, your meats, or whatever. I am going to be showing you guys a little bit of that in this video. And I just want to know, what do you guys do on your Sundays? Are you just preparing yourself mentally to get ready for the work week? Or are you spending it with your families? Or, what do you do on Sundays? Am I the only one that just hangs on to certain pans, even though it clearly looks like you should probably get rid of that pan? I am so bad for that. I don't want to call myself a hoarder, but you guys, I do have a hard time getting rid of things, and I don't know why. I just put it in the back of my head like, oh, you might need this later, or oh, you never know. Y'all, it's something that I struggle with daily, but I am getting in the habit of just throwing things away. I just tell myself, just throw it away. Just throw it away.
Baby, you don't even take the trouble.
I know in the previous video, I was telling you guys about the pots that I just recently received as a Christmas gift. I wanted to let you guys know that those pots and pans are called the Biltmore. I also showed you a little clip a few minutes ago as far as like me showing you the pan of how they look. Like I said, these pans are really great, especially if you cook with pans right now that you have an issue with them sticking, or when you cook stuff, you have a hard time cleaning those pans out. Like I said, the pans are really good.
So easily. Oh, I'm not the one who's gonna take you back. So easily.
preparing my space so that I can go ahead and start on my turkey wings. I'm going to be having turkey wings in the crock pot. I'm going to be using brown rice, organic chicken broth, and also Smart Balance for the butter. I wanted to add in healthy choices because, you know, sometimes it's hard to cut out foods that you love, but you do have healthy options when you're cooking it. And to be honest, you guys, you can't really tell the taste in it. It still tastes the same. Just make sure you're being easy on your salt and stuff like that. But this turns out so good. I will also be baking chicken wings because my husband, he is not a turkey wing fan. I'm not exactly sure why. Right here I am showing you guys the brown rice, the organic chicken broth, the Smart Balance butter that I use. These are just healthy options for you to use while you're cooking these items. I'm also using onions and green peppers. I'm going to be cutting those up and adding that in as well, and you guys will see that. I do want to add that I did go ahead and cut my crock pots on high and put the lid over it just so that the crock pot could be warming while I'm preparing these items. Right here I am seasoning my turkey wings with a little bit of salt. I'm seasoning it with a little bit of black pepper. That's pretty much all the seasonings that I have recently been using. And like I said, I am using the Smart Balance for the butter. And I did notice that I put a little bit too much butter in there, but with that being said, I went ahead and started everything. You will see me dancing a little bit. Like I said, it is Sunday, so my husband has the football game on. He's watching that. I'm also trying to talk to him and cook at the same time. I'm placing my turkey wings in just to get it a little crispy on the sides, just to do like the initial cooking phase of maybe like 1 to 2 minutes on each side, and then I'm just gonna place those in the crock pot. After that, I'm gonna add in my onions and green peppers as well to go ahead and get that with that seasoning and that the seasoning from the turkey wings to get it on there. And then I'm going to add that into the crock pot as well. As you guys notice, my pan is very high. Like I said, I just got these pans for Christmas, so I'm learning that these pans actually heat better than the original ones that I have. I just have to learn the heating of these pots and pans because this one, yeah, you can have it on low and it's still like the heat is high. I was taking it off the eye so that I wouldn't cook it too fast. I've learned that things that you cook, it's better to cook it slow, even though you're trying to hurry up and get it cooked in a fast time. But I am going to go ahead and add that into the crock pot. This is going to be your gravy part. That's going to have to sit in the crock pot for about 4 hours. I do come and just make sure it's doing well by checking on it. I did set my time. Right now, I'm just cleaning up the pots or the bowls that I messed up in the process of cooking that. And yeah. I don't know if you guys can notice my son in the background climbing on the table, getting down the Sunny D juices, bringing them around to me, sitting up on the floor like, yeah, this is what I want. I am cracking up because, y'all, this little boy, wow, that is all I can say. He is such a busybody, but he's definitely a joy. But I am right now just going ahead and just cleaning up, finishing up the dishes that I accumulated while cooking that. I am going to go ahead and dry off these pans and pots and go ahead and place them where they need to be so that I can kind of keep my area clean while I'm cooking. Right now, I am going to go ahead and prepare my chicken. Like I said, for the most part, I have been just using just salt and pepper to prepare my chicken. I want to ease up a little bit on the seasoning. I am trying to be healthier with 2022. That is definitely, I have a goal for myself and also for my family. I'm just placing this in the pan right now. That's also going to be going in the oven. And I want to say I kept that on for maybe like 2 hours because I want. I am using a step ladder to clean out this refrigerator. It is a new refrigerator, and I had wanted to make sure I got something that was a little bit bigger than a previous refrigerator, but I did not realize that it was so big that I can't even reach the top that well, especially in the back because it's very deep. But with that being said, I am using my awesome spray to just clean it out. It wasn't bad at all. It's just it needed to be wiped down. I did go ahead and take out the drawers because one of them I am going to clean, and then one of them I am going to wipe out because, like I said, it wasn't bad. It definitely wasn't bad. And I did clean out the side areas as well. I just wiped those out. I didn't take them out and actually wash those. Maybe in the future I will do another video where I'll take all of those out and clean them. But like I said, it wasn't dirty at all. I did go back and forth on the placement of things and where I wanted to put them, because with the bigger juices I do like having them on the side because you can't necessarily stand them up on the inside. So I am gonna be rearranging some things as I put them in place. I might change them around. You just in your refrigerator, you just have to do what works best for you. Have your placement what works best for you. I am putting in my water. I'm also going to be putting in Powerades and just organizing the refrigerator. Of course, the refrigerator is not going to stay like this. Once my family start digging their hands in it, they're going to just destroy it. But I do love setting it up like that in the beginning. In the beginning of the video, I did say that I had dishes that were currently in the dishwasher. I did go ahead and start that load so I can clear that out. Right now, I'm just wiping those out and putting them where they need to be, because with those storage containers that I took out of the refrigerator, I am going to be putting those in a dishwasher. Like I said, I love using the dishwasher. I love the steam that it brings. You do have to make sure you wash those dishes out before you put them in the dishwasher, or it's definitely just going to be a waste of time. It's not supposed to clean it like that, as far as like scrubbing and things like that. So that's why it's very important to wash your dishes before you put them in the dishwasher, because that's just a waste of time and work. I am going to go ahead and clean out those storage containers and clean up the dishes that I have right here. And like I said, I am trying to make sure I clean as I go and keep my area clean. I am checking on my chicken. I have been checking on my turkey wings as well, and everything has been looking good. Okay guys, so we are getting ready to make it to the end of this video. I would love to thank you guys for watching my videos and just seeing the things that I incorporate on my Sundays and how my Sundays usually go. I am gonna finish up the refrigerator area. I am gonna add in the drawers that I took out and put those in. You will see the finished product of that refrigerator. Like I said, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe, like my channel, comment. Like I said, give me some suggestions on what you would love to see, and I'll definitely be doing that for you guys. And I'll see you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.